Alright, we're headed towards our second Vigilator. So I've done the Vigilator Prime and now I'm heading on to the second one. So starting out with 58, 67, 59. So 58. I think after I'm done with this one, I shall be on a little trip to Hobbycraft to get myself some new clippers. So 58, 59. Where's my number? 59. Here we go. And then a head. So we've got choice of heads now. We've got 65, 6 or 7. I think I'm going to make my life easier. Let me find here. I want a fully faced one, to be quite honest. So let me find 55 if I can. Sorry, 65, not 55. There we go. That one there. Yeah, sometimes I like the whole force to be open helmeted, and other times I like a bit of a mix. I think I might be going out pretty soon because I'm really not getting a clean cut anymore with any of my snippers. They're all banged up. I shouldn't have used these to cut resin. You see, I'm getting a very uneven cut now because of it. Okay, so let me see how this fits. And sometimes it's a good idea to try a bit of a dry fit to begin with. You can see head's going at a tiny bit of an angle to the body. Okay, I've even had to swap over my glue to a less than ideal one. Runs too fast, this glue, that's the problem with it. Okay, let me dry fit this arm as well now. There we go, it's in a kind of straight down pose. Good glue this. It's just like, I always forget that when I haven't used it in a while, the way that you use it, you have to kind of hold it upright and like very be slow and gentle, otherwise it'll just pause out like you saw just then. Okay, now I need to build the kind of, let me look here, so 61 and 68 at the arm. Let's go to 68 from over here. 61 part of the cloak here. From myself, I'm going to have a good sit down soon and really try and get my painting done, been so far behind in my painting. Alright, let's check this. So this cloak is going to attach here. Now let me just check this carefully, because it feels like it's, yeah, there we go. So just looking carefully, it's there like that, can you see? So that little bit slides into there, and then the arm is going to go knock the arm off, knock this arm off. Okay, and then this front arm, it's going to slide in here. Again, it's quite a straight down positioning on this arm. It's just kind of, yeah, it's going quite in like that. Trying to get the positioning just right. It feels like that, with that little notch kind of sticking outwards. Okay, let's get the front now. 60. Let's just dry fit this. It's going to be nice and simple, isn't it? Just slide it on. Then one last little bit, 64 for the front. It's 36, come on, 64 over here. Right, well that's gluing. Let's get 63 and 62 off. So 63 is over here, and then is the bow quiver, 62. Oop, helps if I put it the right way around. Let's just check that. Yeah, it feels a bit high up, but it's not. It's definitely like that. Just feels like it's a lot higher than the other side, but I suppose that's the style, isn't it? Okay, quiver now popping on the back here. Yeah, it slides in quite neatly, that. I'm going to call that a quiver until someone corrects me. Need to go get a proper glue pot again from Games Workshop. This glue runs too quickly. It's fine on big miniatures, but terrible on these little ones. Okay, 70 and 69. So 70 is a bow. It's like this one over here. Again, these clippers are just so bad now. Then 69 for the sword. You can see these clippers are just rubbish now. They're just causing damage more than anything. I feel like I'm just going to end up breaking this bow as well. Pretty much done with this one now, which is good. So let me check the positioning of this. It does feel like the bow string kind of pops on the underside of this. Oh. Right, okay, so there we go. Nice to model this Vigilor. I actually really like these guys. I think the positioning of them so far looks very good and very clean. So there we go, there's our Vigilor done. I'm calling that the first Vigilor because the other one is the Prime, isn't it? There we go. Okay, so please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.